Yes guys, so today I'm back with another video and I'm going to be doing a farm tour. So we're going to start in my house, and as you see right now my house is a bit of a mess. I have my wife who's been trapped by a skeleton. I haven't really designed my house yet. I have some statues of endless fortunes here, and apart from that it's pretty boring. So in my fridge I have a lot of foods that I've made, and here's where I keep my things, like all my stuff in my chests. While I'm here, I'll put this stuff in here. Here's my baby, and here's the 3 ordinary fish I've caught. Here's the baby's room. Here's the statues, the secret statues. And in my basement is a lot of wine. So, yeah, this wine is all going to be a video. Okay, now going out of my farm. First, my gold clock is up here with grass just to make it a bit nicer, and I use this cobblestone flooring with hardwood fences so it just looks nice together. And then here's my ancient fruit field with the junior huts. I also do put other random stuff in here, and I see I've gathered up a lot of ancient fruit over time. Yeah, so that's where all that's going. And then as we make our way down, here's some weathered path with a nice campfire in the middle. Here's our some fruit trees, and then down here are more fruit trees. And then up here is where I keep my dinosaurs. So let's go and pet them on. Oh, they don't like me. Oh yeah, I think the food ran out yesterday, and because I forgot to check them. So they don't like me today, but that's alright. I've got some dinosaur minis, and I have a lot of dinosaur eggs and stuff. Because a lot of the time I just forget to check them or just can't be bothered. So it adds up to really quite a lot. Okay, now down here is my lava reel, and in here I think I've got 5 lava reels with a capacity of 7, with my kegs making pickle thingy. I also used to have sturgeons, and then we got a caviar. Now making our way up here is this path that leads up here to the farm, and we do the top row. So this is my furnace area. So I usually just keep it like this, and I keep my coal here and my iridium here for a bit of smelting. My horse goes here, and then I've got some nice coal behind it. And as we make our way over here, we've got a nice cobblestone fence with my lightning rod farm, and then just some decoration around. That also leads up to my mushroom cave. And then here is a greenhouse. It's got fruit trees, and it's full of ancient fruit and seed movers. Okay, going over here is my honey farm. So this is where I collect my honey, and then there's this path going to nowhere. Up here is Grandpa's shrine with all 4 candles, and I've only got 2 silos in this farm, so they're there. And then going down here, this path leads to my tapper farm, so I've got 4 of each tree, and my obelisks are here. And my obelisks are there. And then down here is my main production area, so I've got a load of ancient fruit. About, I think, almost 500 ancient fruit, and then kegs obviously full of ancient fruit wine, upgraded sheds as well. And then there's this well and some grass just like that's it, just to look good. And coming over here, there's more fruit trees around the pond and just a bit of grass. I've also lit it up with a lot of lamps and torches. And then here are my truffle makers, and I actually keep all my truffle oil in my house now, but I didn't used to. So there's my mills. I don't really use my mills at all. And then when you come in here, There's more fruit trees around the outside and then grass. Here there's a barn full of pigs. I also got to feed these yesterday. I think I did a slow cabin run yesterday, so I didn't really have time for the pigs. Okay, so now that is all the farm done. So now we're going to just take a quick look into the town because I have done a bit of work in the town. Let's see what I mean. So there's not really much here. There's a tapper, and when you come up here, it's kind of self-explanatory what I've done. Okay, and then in here, there's a lot more signs as well. So I've put signs all over this town because I was just bored once, and they actually talk to villagers if you didn't know. Alright, if we go back to the farm now. And yeah, so I hope you like my farm. It took me quite a while to finish my entire farm. It took me quite a few real life days. Going around here there's just another tree tapper. And that's about it really. There's not really much else to show. I don't think I've got anything in the desert that's special. So, but I was just going to show you something. What was I going to show you? So, my progress as well actually. All my heart meters are max apart from these three because they're just hard to find. I've got all the wallet items. Foraging and combat, I just don't forage stuff in combat, I just can't bother. Yeah, so I've got the best possible armor. I've not got prismatic heart because I can't go to farming fields. And then crafting. I'm not sure if I've got a crafting recipe. This I've not really been focusing too much on this. Fish, as I say, I've got 3 of the legendary. Artifacts and minerals. I haven't really done any cooking on this file. My achievements, I've got a few letters. And I've got all the secret ones. So, I've got a lot of money in this farm. And I just thought I'd share with you my farm because I've got quite a lot of work into this farm, quite a lot of hours designing it. It took me quite a while to design and quite a lot of trial and error, but I just used the thingy designer. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm just going to upload a new video of how to get to the mountaintop, so make sure to check out that. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!